images on that computer screen right there. And that's what it looks like. Our prototype robots from the Upbox. This is their pre-made design. So we did not design this. It's still a little warm, but you can see our little transformer dude. So he has a structural layer on the back that can be peeled off once it's printed. Try not to break him. This is a fast print, so it's not the best quality. But these little guys took almost 2 hours to print. And we should have another layer here, I think, that will come off. That might take a little more time. Anyway, this gives you a little idea of what you can 3D print with the Upbox at the WorcShop in Worcester, Mass.